to hold my hand.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Midwest Mama. I am here with my grocery hauls. I did go to Target today and it's a Wednesday, which you guys know by now. I pretty much switched it. I don't know. I just want to get it done. I guess have my Thursdays free, and I don't have any pedis or manicures on Thursday. So I have a pretty open day tomorrow, which I'm really happy about because it's so hot out here. I don't know about you guys, but it is really hot in Midwest in general, but you know, I am in Illinois and we're at the tip of Illinois. So today I think it was like 93, heat index is like 105, it's humid, and I'm still driving my son's car, which has no AC. So it just sucks. But anyway, stay tuned for my haul. I did spend $258 at Target. All right, we're going to start off. I did get 2 bouquets. One is for my oldest coworker, so she will be paying me $10 back, but they were $10 each. Not bad for like how big they were. I bought these again. These are so yummy and just a nice little treats. I did pick up the Junkless peanut butter granola bars. I got 2 boxes of those, 1 chocolate chip, and then I got a family size box of Honey Nut Cheerios. Got a bunch of organic bananas and then a bag of the smaller Cosmic Crisps, 2 cans of the Golden Sweet corn, and I needed some kind of repairing shampoo. I have like some buildup. So I finally was able to like open it. Well, I was able to open the one in the store. See, they're hard to open. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to try to figure that out. I was able to open another bottle, so I know you can open them, but that like a month ago when I tried buying this, I couldn't open any of them, but I'm gonna have to figure that out. Trying to like curb a little bit of money, and I went with Method foaming hand wash. These were like $4 each instead of like $5 hand soaps, you know, $1 savings. Needed some more shaving cream. My son's body wash. I did get the 5 for $12 of Alani's. I got 2 cherry slushes, and I really like the Breezeberry hot dog buns and 2 loaves of the Hawaiian bread. I just wish they would sell it in a full thing. I don't understand why they do half. But anywho, I got 2 cartons, 2 dozens of eggs. We were completely out. 4 avocados. I got a family size pack of chicken breast, and then I got 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs for a recipe that I have in mind. I got 2 zero sugar hazelnut creamers, 1 1% milk back there, heavy whipping cream, and then I got a bunch of cheeses for recipes. This is just for like grilled cheeses and stuff. But I got cheddar, 2 parmesans, and then I got a big bag of mozzarella. Chopped Caesar kit is for Caitlin, and I got some fries. We're just gonna have chicken patties and fries tonight, super simple. Oh, so then I got 2 bags of the chicken patties. I got 1 of the steam in the bag cauliflowers. I think I had 2 more. I got a bunch of these because they're still my favorite. They were 3 for $9. Caitlin needed a veggie tray for work, so I picked that up for her. Got some of the greens that I like. I got honey smoked turkey breast for whoever in the house, and then I got my husband's lunch meats. The potato chips back there is for the barbecue that we're having soon. I needed cotton balls, and I got some napkins as I think we were running low. Kayla wanted some Poppets for 4th of July because she wants to throw it at her brother, so I got her those. I got 3 lemon disinfectant wipes. We were running out of it in like I usually keep 1 in the bathroom, downstairs, upstairs, and kitchen, and we were all out. Q-tips. And then Kayla is going to a pool party, and we picked up this swim tube and some dive rings for the birthday girl. And then I think we're going to go try to get some squishies at a nearby store that usually sells a bunch of them. So that was $258. I'm going to try to swing and do my Meijer probably Friday, and not sure about Sam's Club because we're going to a baseball game on the 4th. So I'm going to have to figure that one out. But of course, I will show you when I do all that. So stay tuned. I am back from my Meijer haul. I spent $162 and some change. I did stick to my list, added a couple things of like food. You'll see. I got 2 packages of the Frederick's fettuccine. There's this recipe I found online. Quite a bit of recipes I found online. So I wish I could get my like button gear so I could like, you know, but go do like YouTube like I used to do and share recipes and stuff like that. One of these days, people. I did get Meijer traditional tomato pasta sauce, a Frederick's garlic Parmesan wing sauce, some Marzetti classic ranch, some refried beans. I got cream cheese whipped. It's for a recipe. And then I got Frederick's grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cans of the French style green beans, some Chihuahua cheese for tacos, and some bacon for a recipe. Got a bag of the little yellows, 2 big bags of the popcorners, white cheddar for my son. Well, I got my body wash, the Moroccan Rose from Tree Hut, and they also had the fragrance mist. Like, I love this scent so much, guys. And then my daughter picked out some nail polish. I got 2 butter snaps, pretzels for the son, and then I got 2 bags of chips for our barbecue coming up. These are the paper plates that I was hounding Meijer for. I thought they were so cute and so festive, just for us to have, but you know, for the July-ish colors too. But I got different plates for our barbecue anyways. Got some alcohol for the barbecue. I got this like red, white, and blue one, American Backyard Bliss. It's the carbless. So I got 2 strawberry, 2 cherry, 2 apple, and 2 grape. And then I got some Smirnoff ice zero sugar, red, white, and berry, some white bread, 2 boxes of the pastaroni, garlic and olive oil, vermicelli, some yellow rice. Is this like instant? No. And then I got Japanese style ramen noodles for that ramen noodle stir fry. I ended up like not wanting to use the ramen noodles that everyone else, you know, the ones that are like cheap because they're so bad for you. So I'm hoping that these are better. And then I got 2, it's Siete mild taco seasoning. I think it's like better for you. So got 2 of those, and I think that was it. The only thing that's missing, Kayla got a Calico Critter blind bag. She got it for doing like lawn like outside chores. There we go, for the lawn. It's so humid, I can't even speak. Anyways, stay tuned for my Sam's Club haul. I probably gonna do that Sunday, unless like tomorrow for the 4th, everything gets canceled. I don't know. We are still going to the baseball game, but it's supposed to like rain and storm. So I have no clue, but I'm going to go to Sam's Club eventually. Okay, I am back with my Sam's Club pickup. I spent $1.55 and 31 cents. I got this big bag of Angus beef patties, which is for our barbecue. I think there's 28 in here. Or it was 28. Maybe there's 18. I don't know. How come I'm not seeing? There is... Guys, I have no clue. I think there was about... I think it's being closed by this blue thing here. So I swear there was like 18 in it. I got some guacamole chips and some Doritos. And flushable wipes. My husband's coconut water. These grass-fed beef, not beef, beef. Nathan's brand is for the barbecue as well. Got some provolone cheese, our Kerrygold butter. We were running out. And then I got green grapes, yellow grapes, and some strawberries. So yes, that concludes my Sam's Club haul. The total will be right around here. I have a black mark probably from my son's car. The total will be right around here. I hope that you enjoyed all of my hauls, and I hope you guys had a great 4th, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, please now,